Hello everyone, welcome back, and hello if you are new here. I am Julie. Today we're going to be planning out the week of June 27th through July 3rd in my Erin Condren Compact Vertical. That was a little hard to say because really I've only done like one plan with me in this planner, but now this planner has officially started and I'm super excited to do some plan with me's here and there in this planner. So if you saw my haul video from last week, then you know I purchased quite a few kits specifically from Planner Kate, and this was a kit that I knew I wanted to use almost immediately because the colors, the vibes, all of it are just absolutely beautiful. So I can't promise that I will use kits all the time, but I at least wanted to share how I would set this up using kits from time to time, and maybe there will be a plan with me without a kit. I don't know. So I'm using the Harmony Neutral theme. I guess I should move my ruler there, but that's the one that I'm currently using. I do want to change the cover. I'm not like particularly in love with the Harmony Neutral cover. Just seems super grainy to me, but they do have some new covers that they've recently released, and I did order a few of those, so hopefully there will be a little bit of a change of cover here. So I am using the kit 428 from Planner Kate, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So this kit, like I was looking at it before I turned on my camera, and I was like, there is so much. Like you can order the 2 sheets. These are the 2 sheets that she currently has available. Honestly, I think you could do with just one. There's a lot even on this sheet. There's like the washi, the box, all that stuff. But I could see why you would want 2 sheets because this box actually fits inside of this box. So this one is like a to-do list for the week and a habit tracker. I was like, of course, Kate is a genius and made it cut to the size to go inside of this decorative box. Like, my God, it's perfect. So let's start with these date covers. This is just such a cute friggin' kit. Like, I was just like, I don't know if I want to use stickers all the time, but this is really cute. I'm still toying with the idea of how I'm actually going to use this planner. I mean, some weeks I might want to use it for my weekly planning. I'm honestly in a season of life where a larger planner isn't necessarily necessary. It's more like I love this space for the decorative parts, which there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. However, after a while, it's like I don't want to constantly have to fill space, if that makes sense. That is very crooked. I don't know why I started this video like without all of my planning tools like nowhere near me, but my tweezers are downstairs. I'm kind of on a time crunch, so I'm like, screw it, let's just go without the tweezers. So, oh my God, I'm already like, this is so exciting, and I haven't done anything yet, and I think I messed this up. Oh, I put the 2 on a day that's not a day. It's just a blank header. See, that's just me. Anyway, back on track here. This week was intense, you guys. I know I'm planning for next week, but this current week that I'm in, when I'm filming this, I was like, oh my God, ready for the weekend. So ready for the weekend. Okay, so what I think is neat is that there's these washi strips included, and I feel the urge to use them simply because they are there. So that's what we're gonna do. I love the print on this planner, like the just my type-ish type of print. Oh my gosh, let me get some of these things out of my way. I adore it. I absolutely adore it. I know that there were some grumblings when it was in the other planners, but I think it's really pretty. And these washi strips are cut. Oh, I didn't put it down right. I'm not following instructions. These washi strips I think are cut like to literal perfection for this planner. Yep, it was me. I was putting things down the wrong way. Okay. Oh my God, I'm already like, oh, it's so exciting. And I only put 1 sticker down. Again, that's the season of life I'm in. It's the little things, people. It's the little things. Okay, let's get this one down. I feel like I'm never, ever going to do this perfectly straight, but we're gonna try. That looks good to me. All right, let's get some date covers down. This is exciting, like the first kit in this planner. I know, you guys are probably like, chill, just we need you to calm down. Anyway, I just think that this is really pretty. I'm excited to see all of the shops that are offering, oh my gosh, I can't get this down. All of the shops that are offering sticker kits. Like, look at, it's already a different planner. It's already a different vibe, and I'm here for it. But Super exciting. I think that she also includes like these things if you want to cover these up, these lines right here, but I'm kind of like they blend in with this kit. So it's probably just going to depend on your personal preference if you want to cover that up, but that's a bit intense for me. That's a lot. So this is awesome. Okay, so as I'm filming this, it actually is Friday, not the first, Friday the previous week. And normally my Friday night live it would be this current Friday. And I'm not feeling it. Like when I tell you that I left work like at least an hour to an hour and a half, even one day 2 hours later than normal, that's how the weekend or the week went. So it was a lot and I didn't like it, and I'm kind of like, I need a timeout. So I think we're not going to do it. But I was like, let's film all these videos though. We've got the day covers, we've got the washi down. I think we're just going to go ahead and go in with this big old box. Like, it's so pretty. All right, so let's try to get this lined up. There's like no lines anywhere on this area right here, which is why I wish it would just have been dot grid and not the little calendar, which was totally unnecessary. So if you get the second sheet, which you'll see is marked with the sheet number, so 428, CV for compact vertical, and 2 for sheet 2. It does include the to-do list and the habit trackers, which is what I'm going to put here. And like I said, she made it so that it fits perfectly in the middle of that. Could it have been over here on the sticker? Sure, but maybe this isn't what you want in your weekly, so I do like that it's an option, if that makes sense. So what I have previously liked to do is pretty much track a lot of things. So I'm going to move those things that I would normally have tracked on individual days to these trackers, because that just kind of makes a little bit more sense. So the first thing is my medication, and then vitamins. And then I think I'll go ahead and put, do I want to put workout here? Or do I want to write the workout on each day? Something to think about. I think I want to write the workout on each day, along with continuing to do my water on each day, because I like to track the amount of water I drink each day. And this wouldn't allow me to do that. Now I could say like 100 ounces of water each day, but then I would be doing that twice, I think. All right. I definitely want to read each day and journal. And I think the last habit I'm going to do is no soda. Definitely got to work on that. Once again. Okay, so there's the habits in there for that. My to-do list, I think I'll develop closer to when this week actually starts. So since I want to track my workouts each day, I grabbed these little like shoe stickers from Planner Key. I just kind of put everything on a reusable sticker book so that I wouldn't have to keep reaching back and forth. So I'm going to do the H2O, the water for each day. So since the checklists actually go down by 8, what I might try to do is turn it and put my water. Let's see if this fits. Like, you guys are just coming along for the experiment with me. Let's just turn this that way. Ooh, I think that that's gonna fit. I kind of like that. Okay, so that's my water. And I'm gonna do that at the bottom for each day. I didn't want this to be like a checklist going this way in here, because I feel like I love using my daily, and this would essentially turn this into a daily, which was not the intention that I had for this planner. That could always change, because like I said, I haven't been needing other like larger books for quite some time. I've essentially stopped using my Daily Duo because it's large and I've been kind of busy and almost too busy to even touch my planner, which is kind of ridiculous sounding, but it is what it is. Now, normally I would use my Zig Clean Color dots to do the dots for each glass of water, but we're gonna try this out this week simply because we have the stickers. When I'm feeling a little bit more like just pen and paper and not really needing to use stickers, then I'll use the dot markers. Oh, kind of messed that up, but that's okay. I've really been enjoying tracking my water simply because it's something that I struggle with, especially during busier weeks, months, especially at work. I almost have to just kind of remind myself like, hey, go get some water. Don't just sit at your desk. And, you know, the same thing with making sure you get up and stand up, you know, when your watch reminds you and all that fun stuff. That's a little bit crooked. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, one more and we are officially done with putting in trackers. I really like this. Oh my goodness. Next, let's do the workouts for each day. So I kind of want to make sure I have enough stickers for the 7 days because I want to do something every day. Does it necessarily mean that I'm going to do a HIIT workout or cardio or weights? No, I just want to make sure I'm moving my body each day. So I think I'm going to alternate because there's only 6 of these sort of beige taupe color stickers and there's 4 of these. So I think we'll alternate each day so that I have a spot to put the workouts in, and I'm just going to keep that at the bottom, and these fit perfectly for the compact vertical, which is awesome. I think that Kate just did such a great job putting these kits together and getting like the most amount of stickers on a sheet that you could possibly get. Like, she's always been very good at that, so I really appreciate that. All right, and then I'm just gonna grab the little shoe and just put one on each day because I think that that's kind of cute. She has some weight ones as well, but I was like, we'll just do this because a lot of it is just me writing in what the workout is. It's not necessarily that it's weights. It could be weights. I don't know. I didn't want to overthink it. All right, that looks so freaking good. Okay, I love that so much. All right, next up, I wanted a way to put my videos for the week. So since there are, let's see, do I want to do black? I feel like we've already done like the taupe color, although that's fairly light. I think I'll do these right here since I typically do 3 videos per week. So we'll have one for Monday. And then I'm also going to pair that with a play button also from Planner Kate. God, you guys, I'm thinking to myself, like, do I really need another planner? I am managing to fit it all in this tiny little thing. I cannot believe it. Like, this is that kind of planner that just came out of nowhere. Like, just, I don't know. It's super cute. I love it. All right, there is that. Still have a ton of space. Okay, so I have a different work schedule this week. So I have, let's see, Wednesday and Thursday are actually work from home days. And then I have Friday off. So excited. So I definitely want to put those down. And I feel like I'm like a new planner here. I don't know how to use the stickers. I think I'm going to use the green to annotate each day. So Wednesday, I'm going to kind of put it in between the lines here. I hope you guys can see that. That'll go right about here. And I'll just layer the work from home script stickers, which are also from Planner Kate. We're just kind of do a little bit of a staggered situation here. So funny thing is that my vacation time doesn't renew till August, and Jesse's vacation time expires at the end of June. So he's got a bunch of time off to take, and I have an amazing company that I work for that was like, you can take some extra time at home. But Friday we're actually going to the beach. So I was like, I need to be off. I'm not working from the beach, damn it. So that's why I'm off on Friday, but I appreciate them being so flexible with me. There is that. Okay. So I will say what I do feel like is missing from this particular kit is like all of the little script stickers. So like laundry day and things like that, which is totally fine, but you can use a lot of these labels and just write it in, or you can also like grab the main kit from Planner Kate and you would have all of these additional scripts. The reason why I'm not using this though is because I want to use this in my hourly. So again, this is where I'm kind of like having this moment of self-reflection. Like, do I want to continue to plan in both of those? Like, is there a space for my hourly anymore? This is like, oh my gosh. All right, so what else is going on this week? All good things, right? So Wednesday evening, and I'm trying to avoid putting a lot of work things in here just because I feel like that's where the hourly could come into play. But on Thursday evening, I do have, correction, it's actually Wednesday evening, I do have a training. So I joined Laura's Social Star. She has a Patreon. It's freaking amazing. But I'm doing that now. So I want to mark that on Wednesday at 7:30. Let's take the little, actually let's do the star because it's a social star. Okay, let's switch colors. Oh my God, I got too excited. Anyway, that's at 7:30 on Wednesday. And like, there's still room for to-dos. So this is, again, so much room for activities. So we have actually content planning session. Let me put the time, so 7:30. Want to make sure I get that in. And then on Saturday, we are actually going to see the Savannah Bananas baseball team play. I mean, if you followed me on Instagram, you know that I've talked about them almost nonstop, especially in my stories. I am obsessed with them. They are just a really cool minor league baseball team that they are performers and also athletes. It's just so much fun to watch. It's an entertaining thing, but I'm gonna save the time here because I really need to go back and look at my tickets. But I'm super excited about this. There's also the farmer's market that day, but I don't think that we're gonna be able to make it to that. So I think what I want to do, is there anything else that I wanted to add? No. Of course, I definitely want to add the beach day to Friday. I'm so excited for that. Oh my God. We've been saying that we're going to go to the beach. I hope that the weather cooperates by then. Speaking of which, there's actually still room to put the weather on each day, which I may also do just to kind of share with you guys what all you can actually fit in this planner. Okay, I looked in my stash and I grabbed a grocery shopping sticker for Sunday because that definitely needs to happen. And actually a lot of my family is on vacation this week, so I'm gonna have to do like a major grocery haul because when everyone is home, it's like the groceries just disappear. All right. I think that is it so far for the week. So here's what I love so far, because I kind of want to provide my takeaways as far as, you know, what it was like to plan in this planner, all of that. So even with using stickers, because I was afraid that using stickers in here was going to like really swallow up the page, right? Like even with the washi up top, all of that. And I think that the size is really deceptive with this planner because again, this is an A5 planner. I put in my plans for the week. There's obviously some other things, like I didn't put payday, all of that. I can add those things later. Obviously there's still space for it, and there's space provided for a weekly to-do list. The sticker kit provides the tracker, all that fun stuff. So I will definitely keep you guys posted next week how it turns out after I've actually used the pages for the whole week. So if I can add in my to-dos, like you can see on each day, there is still space. Maybe with the exception of Friday, but there's always a workaround for that, right? Slap a Post-it on top of it. Don't break your pen. And call it a day. So I'm really excited to try this out in the upcoming year and see how it evolves or fits in my planning system. All right, guys, that is it for today's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.